The Egyptian Theater offers public tours and screens independent, rare, and classic films, as well as a 55-minute documentary called Forever Hollywood they produced to celebrate the community's rich history. The Egyptian Theater obviously gets its name from its pharaoh-themed design and decor, but it's also served as an important part of Hollywood's history. After opening in 1922, the Egyptian Theater hosted the first-ever Hollywood premiere of Cecille B. DeMille's Robin Hood starring Douglas Fairbanks. The Egyptian Theater was built by Sid Grauman, who also created Grauman's Chinese Theater down the street. Sid had an international theme going in those days. Miraculously, both of the grand movie theaters have survived. However, the Egyptian Theater got an extensive renovation in the late 1990s and is now a reminder of the days when movie-going could be a grand affair. Sadly, much of the original interior has been lost, but the ceiling and part of the interior walls still bear Egyptian decoration.